Hey guys, Brian here with another tip of the day. Did you know that your gas company may have installed an earthquake shutoff valve without you even knowing? We found this out the hard way on a past project. Our crew had left for the afternoon, customer calls, and she said she has no gas, no stove, no hot water. Panic mode sets in, go back out the next morning, and come to find out they'd installed a earthquake shutoff device. Now what this will do is if there's any vibration within the footing with our guys jackhammering or any lifting or moving of the building, which we did, it will trigger a ball bearing to shoot up and block any gas flow going into the house. To release this, all you have to do, take a flathead screwdriver, turn it a little bit to the counterclockwise position, and it'll reset itself and your gas is back on. Just remember you have to relight any pilot lights that may have gone out during that time. And that's your tip of the day.